Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again, in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You know, see? And I want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? I want to say to the subscriber them, to the viewers them, when you subscribe yet, subscribe if you like the thing, if you like the content. You know, it's simple, it don't take much. You know, see, but it do a lot, it goes a long way, you get me? And like the content as well, see? And keep the videos in the stream so that others can get to see them too. And disagree, just like you might, or agree, just like you might. You know, see, we give thanks same way. You know, see. Now, today, we don't know, we are going to touch upon some little things where kind of close to it, you know? So, we are scream, we are rant to a degree. See? But before that, we want to big up two black business where essential to the channel, connected to the channel a certain way. Big up yourself, Walla Dog, you don't know. Big up yourself, Danny, brethren. See? Yeah. More big up Nubian Essence, you know, nails and spa treatment and all of that. You know, see, you get your massage, you get the whole thing. You know, see, you can link Nubian Essence on Instagram. You know, see, Nubian Essence on Instagram. See? Yeah. All sort of beauty advice and beauty tips and things like that, beauty tutorials and all of them things there. You know, see it? Yeah. Seeing some very expertly done nails by a black person. You know, see it? Very nice. At least, you know, get the map stick, liquor, them acetone trope and them things there. You know, see it? And again, I want to big up JD's Boutique. Seeing down there in Jamaica. Seeing? Now, the contact number for JD's Boutique is, as you know, 876-255-5473. See? Latest in men's wear. All of the latest. I lick them from Paris, Milan, you know, America, all over the place. UK. See? All of the European and the American brands them. You know, she have some nice stuff there. Go on. See, you can also contact her by email at jordanhutchinson@gmail.com. See? Yeah, just link up them people there and support black business. See, wherever they are, as long as you're in the region or in the vicinity. See, just see what I go on. See, big up yourself, A1 Shine. Enough respect to you, sir. See? All right. We want to talk about Jahmiel, firstly. You see, you talk about the crab farmer too. And Ryan King, and then we there. See, firstly, we want, because blessed is the heart that is with the house that mourn, than it is with the heart that is with the house that party, or it's enjoy, you know, see. So, firstly, we want to give a strength to Ryan King. Seeing from the time he get shot for real, nobody not see him in the public. We know him still alive and him do him thing and him seems fit and healthy. Although enough of them things they could have been done long before him get meet him thing, you know, see it. But we say him gone abroad to get some more corrective surgeries to the spine, cause a bullet the graze him spine in the shootout where, not even a shootout, but the attack where him did get, where female friend of his died and he got injured, he got shot up, to put it simple, you know, see. And he's still suffering from the injuries, so him gonna look corrective surgery in America. We wish him all the best and we keep him in our prayers, you know, see it, and hope say him come back fit and strong and healthy. Yeah, dog, You know, see it? Yeah, my general. More blessed, more strength, more power. See it? Jahmiel. Jahmiel, congratulations, Jahmiel. I want to say that firstly, because I don't want you to feel no way like so well, man, I dig or nothing like that. I want to say congratulations to the Irish, sir. You know, see it? If I true, because another little kind of concern there whether I true or a lie. You don't know what thing that, you know, see it when I pay that. And mine was I say, we say a baptism going, I know you that in the picture and you know the whole thing. You know, see it. So we say, congratulations on your recent thing where you do. You know, see it. Yeah. You know what? When enough people for know say it's highly unlikely now that them can get you for buy gun and shot for them. For kill people. You know, see it. Yeah, cause them and even them not gonna look to you for that no more. You take yourself away from that youth. At least that level of corruption, you can't, you not think too much possibility exists no more for that happen. If that used to happen, or there was a potential for that happening, you know, yeah, we don't think it's you know, prime no more. You see it, we give thanks to that at least. You see it, and we give thanks to the fact say you find a level where you can, you know, possibly access your chi and maintain a certain level of humility within your development and your growth, same way, you know, see it. So and I wish you all the best with your pursuits, them same way, youth. You know, see it. Yes, Rasta, and that are the truth from my heart. You know, see it. But yo, John, I'm not telling a lifestyle. You see that song now, we saw me here say, we not frightened for your house, man, the hill. So we have a one shoes and a bill. Yo, me I say, Rasta this, so see what you're naughty and think star. Me I say, yeah, no. But, you see a little thing we reach about a while back still when we did do a video about, you know, see it. And in that video there, you don't know, and it's not like I'm did a condemn the eye movements or the eye opinion or how the eye feel or the eye state of mind. You know, see it. Well, I know the power of Rastafari still. See it? I don't even blame the eye. I did expect the Rasta them, the man them on the ground. You know, see it, to a step to the eye. Not even step to the eye, but you know me I say entertain a certain degree. Reach out to the eye and make the eye see what the eye deal with. So that's them can strengthen the thing. You see, but you don't know. You don't know. You don't know what cause that star, like the man them just all up in themselves and them to pay attention to what going. Then again, you know, it's not like a community, a Rasta community or thing that way have them thing they set up where them reach out to certain youth or 11th Avenue open where certain youth with certain interests can reach out to them. You know, see it and get a certain level of investment. See? So, we can't too blame Jahmiel for that. Probably I just wishful thinking on my part when I hear the tune when I say like, man, you know? Yeah, and some real cultural and nice tune. Them sing with him Natty. You know, see it. And we know what with Natty is a thing where like an ID when Babylon see them know it's a rebel that against for them cars. So them not really want to have nothing to do with I and I, you see it. Every opportunity where you are sick, you could have get that easier as a ballad than as a Rasta man. You see it, I know that, you see it. But again, decision is yours. And like I say, I your progress same way and we give thanks cause you know see it. I just tranquility and security and serenity same way. You know see it. Simple farmer militancy. You know see it, at the art of war. You know see it, yeah. You know see it, you give thanks. You know see it, but the natty them where they are Jamaica on the ground, Jamaica and Rasta man them, come like say, I be a looseness I go on Rasta. You know see it, like the man them head in a different zone, cause Bobo Hill, Sizzler me hear a caution the man them the other day and not to cast a stone up at Bobo Hill, cause Bobo Hill a sacred ground. All people where not know that even find themselves at Bobo Hill in the first place to be, you know, find access in a Bobo Hill a burn down house and a burn down, man. John don't start come like say, you know. I don't know where the man them are pre. Come like the man them nah like that. Like me I said, the organization, you know, like it boy out star, you know see it. You know see it. Yeah, a different thing we have to depend, you know. You know see it. Yeah, come like we have to go just get rid of some of them organization and different wing thing there where some guy did that thing say some individual grants, government grant or foreign grant did all come for the community. So everybody want to draw one side and be the man for this and be the man for that. You see, all of this is all you know, an effect of the whole of them joke decision there in the beginning. You know, see, I'm spitting on them division thing and if I even work and when I'm gonna say, he must say Rasta and His Majesty say organize and centralize and after His Majesty say that and gone and split up and draw one side. And they say, oh, you like Jahmiel lose all a remarkable talent. You know, see, glad him not dead still. You know, see, glad him can see the light. I see him with a youth, a beautiful talent like that could have meet some tragedy and drop out in a life and not know where him stand for. Because all along when we there, I think that Jahmiel know what we think that Jahmiel stand for and that him stand for. You know, see, Christian him going turn him going get baptized in a church and them thing them at ball baptize him and all them good thing there and when you check it out now, him did a pull and a push more power than where them pastor there and everybody there so I pull. You can see it evening at the baptism, it's like the man them afraid. See? It's like I'm afraid for baptizing, you know, but like them, it's like a level like them find themselves with the authority for talk. You know, for instill Christianity like you've finally done the right thing and come to the Lord and reign. Nah, you know, see it. Them still upon a eggshell type of narrative when them say them thing in regards to Jahmiel because I rest of that. And them know the power where him pull. You know, see, if him did have the knowledge, you know, see, as much as them did and them are pastor and them I say them are Christian and the whole thing, them grow up and them know the whole thing said. You know, see, but I saw it go still, but knowledge no stop. Knowledge is like a river. You know, see, seeing and life is like a cycle. Infinitely. See, Jahmiel, so we are hope to see one of them day again soon. You know, see, I make the right declaration or I come back home to the right path because I saw the thing set Rasta. You know, see, I mean, now I'm bash you like me say, congratulations on what you do. You know, see, because I your root, I your trads to righteousness. You seek righteousness. Yes, as a trad that where the whole of we come through. Seeing because the whole of we usually observe, not the whole of we, but a lot of us usually observe a certain level of Christianity before we find ourselves. You see what I say? So, and I'm nothing new and I'm nothing strange and I'm nothing for no man run with and go on like say, well then, you know, see, we just don't know how the music will go, you know, if I be a gospel song, I'll go sing from now on and all that type of thing there because I don't think you can do the dancehall thing too tough. You see. Now my book that never stop it, that won't stop you from doing it still, you know, see, but my book and for them book are different thing, you see. So I just saw the thing set, my general. You see, but much respect still. And you know, see, yeah, you know, see, commendations to your bravery. See, now, big up Newbie and Essence. You know, see, big up Sublime Arthur over there in Canada. Sublime, you know? Yeah, big up yourself, Sublime. Yeah, man, enough respect, my general. See, yeah. Link Sublime in the comment section and get him details. Sublime supply all of your auto needs, auto logistics. You know, see, yeah. Now the Crabman star, I tell you, I wonder if the Crabman rob himself for come back in the newspaper. Because really and truly, I have to observe the psychology of some people at space, you know. You see, because you're going to be a crab farmer, you raise crab, you know. Then again, people see different benefits from different things and the profit might not be the only benefits behind him raising crab. You know see, but I say raise 2 chicken no Rasta where a guy come try to eat the chicken them a be nice, the chicken them a making a night the man. Crab just coming like crab just silent and gone so with the people crab there for make a noise. That crab can't make noise, Rasta. Jamaica, nowadays you raise something, you have to raise something where we don't want to get teeth, neither. See it like a pig, even though Rasta now encourage the raising and the eating of pork. I just say, them things that make nice. You see it in a ballad world like, you gotta raise something. Why not, raise a goat no Rasta where the goat can make up be nice if somebody try to teeth it so that you can come out and look and see what go on. It's like say the day before you do, the news say you raise so much. You come up on the news, say you raise so much crab in your backyard star, and then the other day you wake up and all the crab them gone. Come like a better if the star did love you. I want if the star know them. Hey, star, sponsor by the man some crab Rasta, cause I will go expose the man. $1 million industry. You see it, I make thief running on it in a day star. I know so that there's no farmer security that I just have one easy thief. That man. You see it. And that did so all along, cause just like the crab them couldn't make the noise when them get stolen. I see when the crab them don't make the noise at night time or daytime for nobody hear them and know so them dead there, And then star gone there with it nice now. Or the observer, one of them, gone load up the gonna be a vice for the crab. See it. And people by the next day star, man, they back in the newspaper again and complain say all them crab gone. Oh, that just, that just weird. Just reek with weirdness, Rasta. See it. So, you don't know, I might look up piece that. For the day, Rasta, I feel we observe them treating you over the weekend and put over the days and put a smile on my face to a degree, see it, and I man make mention. Big up yourself, Jahmiel, see it, yeah, yes, Rasta. And Rastafari King, more blessing to the eye, yes, sir, more strength and progress. See it, I just hope, say, this teach you a lot, see, cause I don't know, like, nobody, I don't know your personal circumstance or state of health at this time. See it. We can just assume the best. I just that we can do. Because we can assume the worst, like like a crisis thing. We assume the best. Seeing say you're good and I love your step and you want just that you want to start. And I just so we have to look on it. Simply. See? So it still leave you with a level where I can know say you're lucky at enough man, my general. See it. We go to the Bbed to enough man where you know to. See? So make that experience here. Make that experience here keep you on a certain path and in a certain headspace. Because you alone go through where you go through. Sure, nobody never dead with you, see it. I feel the pain. Nobody not help with the setbacks and the bills them. Nobody not help with the setback of career and performance and all of them things there, see it. So I just my general, see it. All what go on and you have to be the leader where you say goes, and more time where you say people adapt and follow after. See it. People now expect you to adapt and do what them do. See it. So just keep it clean. Keep it positive and teach the youth them. So that's enough of them experience where you experience. Because again, enough of them, majority of them, vast majority of them not have access to the resource where you have. So that's you all know you still can see it. The other day I see a man coming at the newspaper ask prosthetic legs. 33 M16 shot him get. And still alive, him body rip up, but I'm still alive. See it. See it, Rasta, all 33 M16 shot Rasta. That a overkill. You know see it. And me not see nowhere where him there say him was the Dan for that area there, him a run off the put at least to make the news. You see, that got quiet in a Jamaica, nobody know hear about it until you see where him could have dead and buried and nobody don't know say such a brutal killing go on neither. You see, 33 M16 bullet and a normal thing, man. We never expect or think nobody would have lived through that Rasta. You see, we not expect nobody at the door. I just saw it go. And I saw it for go, but I saw it a go. You see it, and everybody sit back and I watch it a go. So, you see it. So that we there try resurrect a change, interject a change. You know, the thought process. I mean, the people them know say I feel them life. You see it, and a guy is supposed to just lamb to not slaughter business like that. You see it. Anyway, we give thanks. See, share, like, and subscribe. See, subscribe, because it can't hurt. Like it, can't hurt. Give thanks. Rastafari. Yes, I.